beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Then let's make this crispy chinchin recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. There are some tips I would like to share about making chinchin, so continue watching. I'm gonna share the tips as we progress. Okay, so in my bowl I have flour, so I'll be using all-purpose flour, and I'll go ahead to sieve this flour so it will be easy to work with. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and I'll stir everything together to combine nicely. Next, I'll add in sugar. I'll stir everything together. Next, I'll go in with my liquid milk. And I'll add in water. So this water I'll be going in gradually with it. Next, I'll add in my melted butter. So I'll stir everything to combine beautifully. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected, subscribe, and share the video to your friends and your loved ones. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be adding this water gradually, and I'm gonna knead this to form a dough. See, kneading this dough is the key to a crispy chinchin. So if you don't knead it till smooth, you have a crumbling chinchin and you wouldn't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'll go ahead to cut it into two. Because of my space, I'm gonna roll out the dough and cut it into smaller pieces. So as I promised earlier, these are some tips you can use in making a very crispy and smooth chinchin recipe. Number one, kneading is key to make a delicious crispy chinchin recipe. You have to knead. So you need for about 15 to 20 minutes if you're using your hands, or if you're using a mixer, go ahead to use a mixer and that will make your work easy. So while kneading, if you are tired, rest and you come back to it. You need to knead. If not, your chinchin will come crumbling in your oil and you wouldn't like it, and it will form like a breadcrumb when you are done frying, and you wouldn't like that. Next is to allow the dough to rest. Okay, allowing the dough to rest can enhance the overall quality of your chinchin, so you need to allow it to rest. Please don't overwork the dough to prevent softness. Stop kneading when the dough feels smooth and elastic. If you do this, you have a crispy, fine chinchin recipe. So after flattening it, I'll go ahead to roll out the dough and cut into smaller pieces, and this is what I got. So it's time for frying. You can use knife to cut that too. You can also use scissors to cut that shape out. Okay, so go ahead to fry this in a hot oil, and please do not over fry. Fry till it is lightly golden, not too dark. So these are some tips to get this beautiful looking chinchin. Oh yes, so try this recipe and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.